Okay, so it's one day before I get to pick up the van. I have some time, so I'm gonna start on the wet room, the bathroom and shower area. So let me show you around all the stuff and tell you what I'm gonna do. Okay, so you might struggle to see it in the light, but this is the bathroom shower tray. I've got my Thetford CW200 or C200 CW, whatever it's called, but it's the one without the electric flush. Some concrete backer board which wouldn't rot if exposed to some water and things that can go underneath. I got some ply and some timber over there. All the timber I've got for today's part is from Oxford Wood Recycling Centre, so it's all eco-friendly, I guess, as much as it can be chopping down trees. At least I'm reusing it. So yeah, we'll get to it, and you can follow the process. So there we got the waterproof concrete board on top of ply, which I'm going to sand and oil anyway, just in case it comes down to that. I know ply is not ideal for that, but it's just a cheap option compared to like teak or something that's good for water. But the way I'm going to design it, that no water should ever get through. So there's flex, so I need to figure out how to stop that from sagging when I stand in it, because I'm no lightweight. So we'll get to that in a bit. So I want to show you something. So here's the back. So I'm going to spray expanding foam into the gap there to help take out some of the flex and things. So, but I still need access to get the cassette out. So that needs to pull out. So I need to cut a section out of this timber so I can still get it out, but it also seals that area there. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so let's show you this. So that's sorted that out quite nicely, and I think I'll just show you. Doesn't work because I secured the thing there, but basically I can still get that out and back in. Ideal. Lovely. So that's all that sorted. Now all I've got to do is sand up the wood, distress it a little bit so it matches the rest of what I'm going to do in the van, and then treat it a bunch of times with oil, just in the odd chance it might get damp, which better not, because I'm going to do it properly. Alright, so I'm going to distress the wood a bit to make it look a little older than what it is. I mean, it's already pretty old stuff as it's reclaimed, but I want it just to look a little bit more haggard. So this is what I'm going to do. So using Danish oil here, I'm going to use a rag because I think it goes into the grain better, and then I'm going to do a coat, very light sand with a much higher grit sandpaper than that, and then another coat, sand, another coat, and hopefully it'll be a little bit more watertight if it ever does come in contact with water. Alright, so here we have treated boards. There's plyboard underneath the concrete backer board there. I told you I was going to fix the flex problem with the shower tray, which I've done with some aqua resistant foam. It's just, I found that at B&Q. In fact, they gave me a good deal because it was used to protect the bottom of a pallet, and I got it for £3, so that was pretty sick. So yeah, I'm going to put it together now. Hi there, Paul, it's Justin with the Peugeot. Awesome. Lovely. Excellent, cool. Alright, sweet. Yeah, lovely, I'll see you tomorrow. Good. Alright, cheers mate, bye-bye. So's your face. Right. Camera's on, so careful. Okay, I need to do some sealant around the edge of the bathroom and around the toilet there, so that it's just an extra layer of protection, so that when I come to build the unit, which I'm going to attempt to do in a minute, I've got no way of water getting through and damaging the wood or the floor underneath. Right, you need my knife, Danny.
Dad?
Yes.
Do you know what I just set up for Halloween?
Oh no, what are you dressing up for as Halloween?
Captain America.
Oh, cool. I should tell my friend, Clark.
Is he Captain?
My friend Clark is Captain America, yeah. And my friend Justin, they both do sometimes.
Justin?
Yeah, same name as me.
Oh, do you know how many Charlie they got? 4 Charlies.
4 Charlies, is that at school?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. 4 Charlies? You can tell
Yeah.
what kind of school you go to, don't you?
No way.